Make a great choice today with the 2021 Seltos. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine and comes with a 7-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, driver attention alert system, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, cargo area light, trip odometer.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.